In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Vectorspace AI step by step. So before we proceed, I just want you to know that I will show two different options on how to buy Vectorspace AI. One is using Kucoin and the other option is using Uniswap. So for the first option, you can go to kucoin.com here and you will gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, go here and click trading account. So you must have a USDT in your trading account. If you don't have one, you can just deposit it or you can buy it. Then once you have USDT in your account, your trading account, on the search bar here, type down VXV and then click trade. Click VXB USDT here, and then you will gonna need to enter your 6-digit trading password. And now you can type the amount of USDT you want here and then click buy VXB. Then once you have bought your VXB here, you can now go to assets here, click trading account, and then on the search bar here you can type VXB and you will see here the total amount of vector space or VXB you have. And then now you can go to the second option and you can go to app.uniswap.org and then click connect here. You can choose any of these options, but we're going to choose MetaMask. And then you can choose any of these chains, but Vectorspace is only available on Ethereum and Polygon, so you will not be able to use these chains. So for example, we're going to choose Ethereum here and then click here. You can choose any of these token. For example, I will choose USDT and then click select token here and type down VXV, then click here. So for example, I will type down 10 USDT here and you will receive this amount of VXV or Vectorspace AI. And if you have any questions about how to buy Vectorspace AI, leave a comment below.